Hello everyone, this is Take the Gate, and I'm reporting on March 14th, 2014 about a news story that I just came across. And about a woman that was devoutly religious, was fasting, became lightheaded, and was committed when she started to pray in front of a psychologist in Cleveland, Ohio. And I'm just going to go through and read a little bit of this. This is on Natural News. A devout 56-year-old woman was held captive in a psych ward for 5 days after a strange series of events that cascaded before her. And she was taking part in a 15-day spiritual fast for Lent, I assume. And on the last day of her fast, she parked at a Cleveland, Ohio BP gas station, and she grew faint and called her mother for assistance. I assume the mother must be also elderly. And then she was escorted into the emergency room of St. Vincent Charity Medical Center, where one Dr. Brar, who I've tried to contact at the St. Vincent's Charity Medical Center, or their point of contact person, who was not gracious enough to reply by email or by phone about the incident, so I could get their side of the story. But moving along, the woman was declared that by staff members the audible prayers and Bible reading was a religious preoccupation as evidence of mental illness. So they concocted this diagnosis, according to Natural News, so that they would justify themselves as needed, or justify her to be psychologically evaluated. The mental illness label can be used as a weapon to justify imprisoning people who don't think or believe according to what is normal behavior, according to some professionals. This also happened in Stalinist Russia, and I've seen this. It goes back into what I talked about before, about the PI, the pedophilia information exchange, locking women up and calling them crazy when they report their child being abused to police in Britain. This is just another part of the DSM strategy to lock more people up that don't agree with the system and put them into different types of cages and treat them with pharmaceuticals that they don't require or don't need. And they talk about the Ohio Revised Code. This happened in Cleveland, Ohio, of course. 5122. A captive woman was free to go, and that she had complied with the obligations under the code and discharged from the hospital. Now she has filed suit against Dr. Brar and the St. Vincent Charity Medical Center, and now the mental illness label is being applied to people that aren't conforming to what they consider normal behavior. So now religion or religious belief or spiritual belief is now considered abnormal behavior in some spheres. So I'll keep you posted. Signing out. Take the Gate at WordPress.com.